Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change shipping information in Best Buy. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I've done right here. I'd like you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's learn how to change shipping information in Best Buy. From your home page, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Hi, add your name to it, and click on that. You're going to see this extended menu. So from here, scroll the way down till you find Account Settings. Now click on Account Settings. From this window, you're going to find a couple options here. Addresses, payment methods. That's you're going to find three categories: your info, account security, and connections. Under your info, you have addresses, payment methods, phone numbers, communication preferences, store pickup person, manage instant notifications, and then change your account name. So go ahead and click on addresses. Once you click on addresses, it's going to take you to another window. So here you can now change your shipping information. So over here where you have add an address, if you already have a shipping address available, you can click on, you're going to find the edit option close to your shipping address and click on that to edit your shipping information. If you just want to change it automatically, you can click on this add an address button, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you have to fill out this form. Add your first name, last name, and then address. Enter your address, then your city, select the state, zip code, phone number, and click on save. Once you click on that, that's going to be it. You'll be able to add a new address or change your shipping address information entirely in Best Buy. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can change your shipping information. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.